All right, if you remember, if you have something like this, what you do is you add the tops and then leave the bottom. And that's pretty much all you do if you have a common denominator. Now, if you look at these denominators are exactly the same. Um, so, but this negative sign kind of screws things up. But if you think about it, this fraction owns the negative. So if you remember, we can either write a fraction like this, a fraction like this, or a fraction like this. And they're all the same thing. But if I write it like this, that's exactly how it is now. If I write it like this and I give the negative down to the bottom, it makes it so the denominators are not the same. So I'm going to take this negative and I'm going to give it to the top. In other words, I'm going to distribute this out all the way through. So if you do that, remember we just leave the bottom. And then we add the tops. So in other words, 2x squared minus x squared is just x squared. And then negative 5x minus 3x is negative 8x. And then 7 plus 8 is 15. Now, in order to really know whether or not we did this correctly, we need to make sure that we factor the top and factor the bottom, see if anything reduces. So if I have x and x, this is negative 5 and negative 8. I mean, not negative 8, 3. And this is going to be, let's see, negative 5 and positive 3. And if you see here, we can reduce these guys. And so our answer is x minus 3 over x plus 3. Now don't be tempted to cross these guys off because these guys are adding, you can't do that. So this is actually your answer right here.